Hi everyone, here we've got HOMTOM S9 Plus, and let me share with you how to change keyboard language on this device. So first of all, we have to enter the settings, and now let's scroll down to the personal section and tap on languages and input. Here we have to take a look at the keyboard and input methods section and tap on the virtual keyboard. Here it actually depends what kind of keyboard you're currently using. I'm using Android keyboard, so let me tap on it, and here we have to tap on the languages. As you can see right now, I've got the use system languages option applied and activated, so let's turn it off in order to activate the full list of all available languages from which we can choose. So actually all you have to do right now is simply find the language you would like to set and tap on the switcher on it. So I will pick Arabic because it's quite graphical language, and right now we can go to the keyboard and check how it will look like. So let's open the keyboard, for example, in messages. It doesn't really matter, and here we've got two things which will tell us that we've got two different languages applied. First of all, the spacebar is not empty. Right inside of it, we've got the name of the language we are currently using. What's more, here next to it, we've got the globe icon, which will allow us to switch the language. So right now, I'm freely typing English, obviously. And after tapping on this globe icon, I can switch to the Arabic one. Let's tap on it again, and again, we've got the English. What's more, we can change the language not using this globe icon, just by tapping on this small keyboard icon. And as you can see here, we've got both of previously applied languages. And here we can, for example, tap on Arabic, and then the keyboard will change. So actually, this is it. This is how to add new language to the keyboard. And now let me show you how to remove it. So just go back to those settings which are connected to the keyboard. We are in the languages. So in order to remove, in my case, Arabic, all you have to do is simply tap on the switcher right here, and we've got only English left. So after going back to the keyboard, we can see two differences. Again, we cannot see the globe icon, so we cannot switch through the languages. What's more, the spacebar is empty, so it means that we've got only one language applied. So actually, that's all. This is how to change keyboard language in your HOMTOM S9 Plus. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.